You've probably heard the term passive income before. But what if I told you that in 2025, ordinary people, not celebrities, not tech founders, are using tools and platforms to generate real wealth, and most people still don't even know these tools exist? This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. In this video, we'll reveal the income tools that are changing lives around the world and how you can start using them even if you're starting from zero. Let's break down the systems that are making people rich today and how you can get in before it's too late.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
The new age of wealth building.
We're no longer in an era where wealth only comes from climbing the corporate ladder or running a traditional brick-and-mortar business. The rules have changed, and the digital age has completely rewritten the playbook. Today, automation, artificial intelligence, and scalable online tools have created new paths to wealth that simply didn't exist even 5 or 10 years ago. These aren't just trends, they're structural shifts in how value is created and income is earned. And the people who understand this, and move early, are the ones unlocking real financial freedom. Here's the critical shift: wealthy people no longer trade time for money. They build systems that multiply their output without multiplying their hours. They use tools as leverage, tools that work while they sleep, scale without effort, and reduce the need for constant input. This is the mindset difference between staying busy and building wealth. If you're still relying solely on traditional effort, working more hours, chasing promotions, or sticking to outdated methods, you're already falling behind. But here's the good news: this new way of building wealth is learnable, accessible, and available to anyone willing to adapt. And it all begins with one thing: understanding the tools that are transforming how money is made today.
20 tools that actually work.
Let's break down the exact tools ordinary people are using in 2025 to build real, sustainable income, with 4 powerful categories: digital tools, money platforms, side income systems, and automation boosters. You don't need to master them all, but even one can change your financial future. Category 1: Digital tools for value creation. 1. ChatGPT, used to automate writing tasks, generate business ideas, and create content in minutes. 2. Canva, a powerful drag-and-drop graphic design tool. Create professional designs for free or with low cost. 3. Midjourney, AI art generation used for content creators, NFT artists, and social media marketing. 4. Grammarly plus Quillbot, writing optimization and paraphrasing tools to help non-native speakers produce fluent, professional content. 5. Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer, tools that help write content optimized for Google search, useful for blogging, affiliate marketing, and ranking fast. These tools allow individuals to create value at scale without needing a team, coding skills, or expensive software. Category 2: Money platforms that grow for you. 6. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront, they invest your money automatically in diversified portfolios. 7. ETF platforms like M1 Finance or eToro let you buy into index funds with low fees, helping your money grow passively. 8. P2P lending platforms like Mintos or funding societies let you lend to others and earn interest, with risk-adjusted options. 9. Crypto staking platforms like Binance or OKX earn passive returns by locking up certain crypto assets. 10. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise invest in real estate with as little as $10 or $100 and earn passive cash flow. These platforms help people grow money while focusing on other things, ideal for busy professionals or beginners. Category 3: Side income systems that actually scale. 11. Shopify plus Tsers, for launching dropshipping businesses with no inventory. 12. Printify or Teespring, print-on-demand platforms to sell custom-designed merch with no upfront cost. 13. Gumroad, sell digital products like templates, ebooks, and mini courses. 14. Amazon KDP, publish books and low-content journals with zero cost and get paid royalties. 15. Affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Impact, promote products and earn commissions from your audience or blog. Each of these platforms lets you start small, test fast, and scale when you're ready without needing a warehouse, inventory, or full-time commitment. Category 4: Automation and Productivity for Wealth Builders. 16. Notion, a powerful tool to manage projects, finances, goals, and even full business dashboards. 17. Zapier, automate tasks between apps, like sending a welcome email, updating a spreadsheet, or posting to social media. 18. Google Sheets plus Tiller Money, manage and visualize personal finances with real-time updates. 19. Calendly, automate meeting scheduling for freelancers, consultants, and online business owners. 20. Todoist or Motion, smart task management apps to help you focus on what matters and stop wasting time. These tools aren't just about saving time, they're about multiplying your energy so you can build more with less. All of these tools are available to you right now. Many are free or extremely low cost. The key isn't to use everything, it's to choose one, learn it well, and build consistency around it. Up next, I'll share a simple system to choose which tool works best for your goals, especially if you're starting from zero.
Don't just watch, use them.
These tools are powerful, yes, but let's be clear, they're not magic. They won't make you rich overnight. And they definitely won't work if you don't use them. That's where most people stumble. They watch videos like this, feel inspired for a moment, maybe even take a few notes, but then do nothing. They scroll on. They forget. And they stay stuck in the same financial loop. Don't be one of them. Instead, take action, even if it's just a small step. Pick one tool that feels aligned with your skills, your interests, or your current goals. Not 10. Just one. Then go deep. Commit to learning how it works. Use it consistently. Apply it to something real in your life. This is how momentum is built, not through overwhelm, but through focused action. Once you feel confident, then, and only then, layer in another tool. This is how wealth systems are created, not all at once, but brick by brick, block by block. And always remember this. Tools are only leverage. They amplify effort, but they don't replace it. Wealth isn't built by the tools themselves, it's built when your skill, your discipline, and the right platform come together. That's the real formula the wealthy use. Not just working hard, but using leverage intelligently and consistently. Coming up next, I'll help you put this all together with one simple step to start turning tools into real results.
Final thoughts.
You don't need to invent the next big thing to build wealth. You don't need to code an app, launch a startup, or become the next financial genius. You just need to use what's already working, the tools, platforms, and systems that are already helping thousands of people grow real income today. Success in 2025 isn't about having secret information. It's about seeing the opportunity early, taking it seriously, and sticking with it consistently. The people getting ahead right now aren't always the smartest. They're not always the most experienced or the most connected. They're simply the ones who are aware, early, and most importantly, they act. So let me ask you. Which of these tools have you already used? Which one are you excited to try next? Leave a comment and share your answer, not just for me, but for others watching who might need that one push to get started. And if there's a tool or income platform that's helped you, but didn't make it into this video, share that too. Your insight could be the key that unlocks someone else's financial breakthrough. Because at the end of the day, knowledge is potential, but action is power. What you do next, even if it's small, could change everything. So, if you're serious about building wealth in 2025, don't just watch, start. Pick one tool. Take one step. Because the people who win aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who act the fastest. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.